If you want to know how to make your own APIs in Ktor and how to use them in your own Android app, then this is the video for you. Hey everyone, I'm Samarth. I'm going to start a series in which I will be making a note app. It is not a simple note app. In this app, we will be storing our notes on the server. So we will be making our own backend in Ktor. So without further wasting any time, let's check the demo for our app. So this is the app we will be making in this complete series. Here you can see all the notes are present in recycler view, and by pressing this tab icon we can add the title and the description of our note like. And to save this note we have to simply press the back button and the note will be saved. And if the user is logged in, then it will be pushed to the server. Now to edit a note we have to simply click on the note and just make some changes and press the back button, and the note will be again saved. Here you can see the last updated date of the note is visible. Now we can search the notes also. For example, temp. So the note is visible in the recycler view also. Now to delete the note we just have to swipe left or right to the note, and to undo this press the undo button and note will be again back. And just delete it, we don't need this. Now let's see the account part of our app. Here you can see if the user is logged in, then it will show the name and email ID of the user. Now after logout we can see we can create a new account and log into our previous account. Now I have the previous account, then I will simply log in. Now we are logged in successfully. Now our app is implementing caching. To check that I am closing the internet connection and let's open it. Here you can see our notes are visible, and we can add the notes also. And here you can see if the note is added only locally and it is not pushed to the server, then it will show the red color in this dot. And if the note is pushed to the server, then it will show the green color. Let's check this and refresh it. Here you can see the note is pushed to the server and the red color is changed to the green. Now let us see what all the things we will be learning in this whole series. The first and most important thing is Ktor. We will be making our whole backend in Ktor. And if you have did your Android development in Kotlin, then it will be very easy for you to learn Ktor, because you don't have to switch from one language to another. And the next thing is we will be learning how to use PostgreSQL in our app. We will be storing our notes on the PostgreSQL database. And the next thing is we will be learning how to authenticate our APIs. It is a very important task to authenticate our APIs so that the only users who are registered can access our APIs. And then we will be deploying our backend to Heroku. So these were the things we will be learning in our backend part. Now let's see what things we will be learning while making our app. The first thing is we will be implementing mvvm architecture. It is model view model architecture which is recommended by Google to follow. After that we will be learning how to make network calls. In that we will be learning how to handle sessions, how to handle the cookies and all that kind of stuff. After that a very important thing is that is dependency injection. We will be learning how to make dependency injection, and for that purpose we will be using Daggerhead. After that we will be learning how to implement caching in our app. It is a very important thing so that user can't face any lag. In this we will be fetching notes from the server and we will be storing it to the local database, and after that from the local database we will be showing on the screen. Because if we will not store to the local database, it will take some time to make the network call and fetch the notes from the server, and this will and the user will think it like a lag. So it is very important to use caching in our app. Now let's see what are the prerequisites for this course. The first is you should have the Intellij idea in your system. The next is you should have the Android Studio in your system. These are the two softwares we will be using mainly in our whole series. And after that you should have PostgreSQL installed in your system. And if you don't have installed, then don't worry, it is very easy to install. And also you should know the basics of database. For example, what are the tables, what are the rows, what are the queries. You should have the basic understanding of database. After that you should know the basics of Kotlin language, because in whole course we will be using this Kotlin language. It is actually the best language you can learn easily. And after that you should know the fundamentals of Android. So this was the complete video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and like and share if you like this video, and comment down if you have any doubt. I'll try to solve it. Thank you.